Hi guys, it's the second part. We're here in the woods at Bramley at the Anderson shelter. Rick's down in the bottom. So I've decided I'm going to start asking the questions so you can hear us. We didn't know if the audio was pretty naff or not. So I'm going to be asking them. So there's a female spirit with us now. Could you tell us, did you die down here? Do you come back to visit the shelter because that's where your family are? Was that a yes to that question?
Yes.
So your family died in this shelter, did they? Did your parents die in this shelter? Thank you. I'm getting at when they were down in the shelter, one of them wasn't very well at the time. Is that true? Thank you. Take them back. Thank you. Thank you. Just relax them down. That's it. I was picking up on a male spirit that was poorly. Is that true? Thank you. Thank you. Take them back. Thank you. Did your mother survive, but your father died? Did your father die? Is that a no? So was it your mother that died? Thank you. But there was something wrong with your father's lungs. Is that right? Thank you. Can I ask another question, please, Spirit? Was that in relation to mustard gas in the First World War? Thank you. Take them back now. Thank you. How did you die then, Spirit? Was it a traumatic death, yours? I don't think we've found that out, have we? Was it a traumatic death? Is that a no still? Okay, pause that.